Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your Set the Scene Festive Moments dies and the printed card blanks together. We're going to focus on Christmas Town, but also available is Warm Winter Wishes, Deck the Halls and Winter Woodland. And this is our finished card. The printed card blanks are pre-scored and they come in lots of different colours, and you will see that the designs are slightly blurred so you can line up your dies perfectly. Okay, so today we're going to start with the card blank, the printed card blank. It's double-sided and we are using the Christmas Town die set. So we're going to start with the first panel, and it's really easy to line up. So you've got 3 panels all together, and the print will line up perfectly with your die, so you can see that the bleed around it will line up, and you can also use the guides here and here, which will line up with your score line and the edge of the card. And then we're just going to use low tack tape to secure it in place. And if you want, you can also cut out the optional piece here, which is little Santa. This piece actually comes off in the end, so don't worry that you're going to have a hole in the middle of your card. You're not. So then once that's secure, we're going to run it through our die cutting machine. And run that through. Okay, so once you've run it through your machine, just check that everything is cut nicely. You can obviously run it through again. It is quite detailed in the centre, but this looks like it's cut really nicely. So let's take off the tape. And just be careful that you don't just yank it off. Obviously these are very delicate, detailed dies, so you've got a lot of detail. That comes off really nicely, and you can see that the design has a continuous cut line that goes all the way across. You can see here, this way, that it's all the way around, and all that detail's just popped out really nicely. There's no need to poke anything out. So then what we're going to do next is turn your design over and get your next die plate, and again use your low tack tape just to secure it in place. Line the die up with the print. It's really easy, and because the way we've designed it, there is a little bit of wiggle room, so don't worry too much if it moves or if you're not quite sure that it's in the right place. There is plenty of room for movement. So again, just run that through the machine. And the reason why we designed it like this, it's so then when you turn it over, you get that nice embossed edge. So again, just double check that everything's cut, but it looks like it's gone through really nicely. And then just repeat again, so turn it over. For your third panel, line that up, secure it in place. And then we'll just run it through the machine one more time. So remove the tape, and you can see that this is moved ever so slightly before I taped it down, but you will also see that when we take it off, it doesn't matter because there is that wiggle room. So please don't be afraid that any movement, it's not a problem. So once you've got all the pieces out, just release any bits that are a little bit stuck, but you can just go along and start taking it out at the top. There are obviously some delicate bits, so please don't pull too hard. But at the same time, these are really nice heavyweight card blanks, so there's plenty of room for you to give it a good pull. And then just fold it along the pre-scored lines. And you are done. It's really quick and simple. You can see that because we've flipped it, you have this really nice embossed edge, all 3 layers, and the depth of the card is really nice. And you can also add in your sentiment at the bottom. There's room which will cut in really nicely. You can add Santa onto the top of it, add your snowfall acetate. It's just really quick and easy to make. Thank you for watching.